Hi everyone, I thought I'd just make a short demo video before my web page goes live. This is the euro dollar pair, and we see a nice breakout upwards, like a 45 point breakout, which has come to a consolidation pattern. Okay, I'm going to do a short market analysis as well, just for you to see what's been going on and how to really prepare for a trade like this. And we're just going to be waiting for a setup, a breakout out of this consolidation. Now let's take a look at what the market's been doing in the last couple of days. For that, let's go through the hourly chart. Okay, click it here. Okay, what we see is that the market's been in a strong uptrend the last 3 days. How do we know that? Okay, that's here a bar. This is a bar chart, and each bar represents 1 hour, which means that up till here is roughly 24 bars, which makes it a day. So the last 3 days, for the first 48 hours, the market's been going steadily up, and the last 24 hours, it has come to a strong resistance level. Okay, now let's look at the same market. That's just like bottom of the retracement. Okay, let's look at the 5-minute chart right now. Okay, that's a close-up, what we just saw at the very end of the last couple of hours, let's say, because now each bar represents 5 minutes. Okay, so let's see, roughly 4 or 5 hours we're talking about. You can see right here that the market is moving just a couple of points. Okay. There's not much happening at the moment. So let me just show you again. After a strong 2-day run and a retrace, the market formed higher highs, and here it shoots up and reaches a point of resistance. And I'm just going to draw you a couple of lines to show you this consolidation right here. Okay, that's one line right there, and the other from here. This pattern is called a symmetrical triangle, and price is going to break out of this either direction. Okay, most analysts don't expect the price to go upwards from this point because it's a very strong resistance. So we are preparing for a short trade right now. But before we reach that point, just want to bring up a couple of indicators. Just stop the video for that now for a second while I bring up my indicators. Okay, here we are. Got all the indicators that I need just now. I'm not going to explain to you what they are and how they work because it would take ages. The most important thing is this R1 up there that I'm showing right now. R1 level 13,605. That's the pivot resistance level, brokers pivot resistance, which the market is very unlikely to breach this time. We see the consolidation, the symmetrical triangle. Price has just broke out towards the resistance line and likely gonna turn back. Let's change the view here. Let's see, 5 minutes or shorter time. Let's see. Okay, let's put it to 2 minutes. And here we are. Okay, we see the active bar right there, the red one. Price has already come back away from the resistance after it's touched it twice. We see a big green rejection bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, fifth bar from the active bar to the left. We see that it has breached the resistance level shortly, then a couple of bars later it touched it again, and price is coming down from that point onwards. Okay, I would have bought or actually sold the euro at this point when it touched the resistance for the second time, and would have put my stop 1 point away upwards, like 13.606, because the indicator is showing weakness, and that's what really happened. It's just a demo trade. I'm not buying not shorting the market now. Okay, as we see, it's already reached 13,603, and the target would be 602 to make the trade worthwhile to make. That is a 1 point risk and 3 point reward, and we just need to wait for the market to reach that level. By the time, the charting software I'm using to record this trade is Pro Real Time. I've just brought it up here, and you can find it at prorealtime.com. Okay, there we are. 13,602, and we are expecting to get down to 13,602, at which level we can terminate the contract. Not going to actually terminate the contract because it's just a demo trade. Here we see a previous resistance level. That's why it's likely that the market will not go beyond that. So once hitting our target, and here we go, is just hit it, we can get out of the trade. Okay, there you go. And we can conclude that the 3 points that we've made is enough profit to finish up the trade. Thank you for your attention.